Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called Never Let a Unicorn Get Spots. I'm not sure how it happens, but today I woke up and my pet unicorn was covered in spots. I had to do a close examination of these spots to see what I was dealing with. So I got out one of my doctor bag and I found my magnifying glass to get a closer look. It was just as I suspected. She got a case of the silly spots. She must have gotten them when we were telling jokes yesterday. Those knock-knock jokes were pretty hilarious. At first, the spots seemed pretty harmless, and then my unicorn sneezed, and the spots blazed out of her nose. They were getting everywhere. Why didn't she cover her nose? I had heard that you never want your unicorn to get spots, but once she has them, how do you get rid of them? I needed to come up with a remedy, and quick. So I thought, if I cover them with bandages, like you cover a scrape, maybe that would make the spots go away. I went to my doctor bag and got some bandages, and I put one on every spot. I waited for a bit, but then when I took them off, the spots were still there. Maybe I can wash them off. If it works for germs, maybe it could work for spots. But the spots were still there. This was all making me very tired, and it looked like my unicorn was getting tired too. So I covered her up with a nice cozy blanket and climbed into the bed. Maybe, just maybe, getting some sleep would help. When I woke up, my unicorn was missing. Where did she go? I searched everywhere, but my unicorn was nowhere to be found. I ran to check the rest of the house. As soon as I reached the hallway, I saw the most amazing spot ever. As it turned out, while I was sleeping, my unicorn was busy making spots. It was the only thing I didn't think of. She had to make spots to get rid of them. I see why people say never let a unicorn get spots. They are really hard to get rid of. But without those spots, we would have never known the healing power of art. I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!